2021 has ushered a new era of vaccine diplomacy. Anniversary celebrations are occasions for joy, but we are on the cusp of a unique anniversary, the anniversary of coronavirus pandemic, also known as COVID-19. While the world is battered after a year of the pandemic, there is some sense of joy here too in the form of vaccines. The vaccines from multiple countries are the rays of hope as the world slowly limps back to normalcy, though certain COVID-19 protocols such as wearing masks, social distancing, and sanitization have still to be followed. Again, India and China, the most populous nations in the world, have become the centers of attraction in terms of their capacities for manufacturing vaccines on a massive scale. Mass manufacturing has been one of the hallmarks of the global vision to collectively fight the pandemic. Thus, India is all set to play a major role in global affairs, that of a first responder, not only in the neighborhood but also in sending urgent medical supplies to countries across the globe. Several countries, including many from the Arab world, such as Egypt, Tunisia, Saudi Arabia, Oman, and Kuwait, as also CARICOM nations including Grenada, Guyana, Haiti, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, Suriname, and Barbados have all reached out to India for the vaccines. The second phase of the global fight against COVID-19 began with the discovery of vaccines, successful tests, and mass production. India has also rolled out a massive coronavirus vaccination drive under which two vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin, are being administered to frontline health workers across the country. India highlighted its vaccine diplomacy at the United Nations Security Council. India too has started commercially exporting the vaccines to many countries such as Brazil, Morocco, and Bangladesh, who have received their first consignment. India is now all set to export to other countries including Mongolia, Canada, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, and others. But where are these vaccines coming from? They are coming from Pune-based Serum Institute of India, one of the largest manufacturers of vaccines in the world. India adopted the neighborhood first policy and ensured that all small neighboring countries had access to the vaccines, followed by exporting to other countries that sought the vaccine from India. India began commercial exports and sent 2 million doses of Covishield developed by AstraZeneca and University of Oxford to Brazil, and India has undertaken contractual supplies to countries such as Saudi Arabia, South Africa, and neighboring nations soon. Some of these nations that will receive the vaccines include Brazil, Bangladesh, and Myanmar, a fact confirmed by the Ministry of External Affairs in New Delhi. In fact, Brazilian President Bolsonaro has also thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi for providing 2 million doses of COVID vaccines to fight the deadly virus infection in his country, one of the worst hit by the pandemic. Brazil's health ministry announced that the vaccine landed in Sao Paulo before being flown to Rio de Janeiro, where Brazil's state-run Fiocruz Institute is based. According to reports, Fiocruz has an agreement to produce and distribute the vaccine. In April, India also provided the Latin America country raw materials for production of anti-malarial drug hydroxychloroquine, while the vaccine manufactured by US-based drug maker AstraZeneca and Oxford University is being manufactured at the Serum Institute of India. Covaxin is being produced by Bharat Biotech. So apart from hydroxychloroquine, India has also supplied remdesivir and paracetamol tablets as well as diagnostic kits, ventilators, masks, gloves, and other medical supplies to a large number of countries to help them deal with the pandemic. In fact, the Indian government had held off exporting doses until it began its own domestic immunization program. The World Health Organization has also appreciated India's efforts to send out vaccines. Meanwhile, at home, India has set a target of vaccinating 3 crore frontline workers, and in the first phase of the vaccination drive, the majority of workers in the healthcare segment have been successfully covered. Besides sending urgent medical supplies during the pandemic, India has recently trained medical professionals from 13 countries on the administration of the vaccines.